subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched 3 new smartphones under Note series in China called Redmi Note 9 4G, Redmi Note 9 5G and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. All these 3 phones comes with a unique design pattern, and among these 3, the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides, and it is IP53 certified for dust and water resistance. The smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the device packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512 GB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a circular module at the top center that includes a 108 megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120 degree field of view plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 16 megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4820 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.38 by 76.8 by 9mm and it weighs around 215 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1599 Chinese yuan. While the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1799 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country starting from December 1st in black, blue and lake and autumn color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.